Are now arose a city, built by subdividers who had planned it. Planned it as no other American city had been planned since LaFont laid out the District of Columbia 170 years ago. Such a city, 8 square miles, 18,000 homes, 140 miles of streets, over 70,000 people. They call it Lakewood, tomorrow's city today. It became world famous. Thousands of houses were sold before they were built. People came from Maine, New York, Texas, Canada, England, Germany, everywhere. They fell in love with Lakewood. They loved the way the homes and streets were laid out so neatly around the super modern shopping centers with acres of free parking. Their whole pattern of living, working, and shopping became that of modern suburbia. To many, Lakewood was paradise. But even in paradise, somebody has to keep house.
Lagi kami membuka siaran tepat pukul.
Lakewood's beautiful residential character must be protected. A newspaper editorial once summed it up. The Lakewood experiment, it said, is no longer an experiment. It is a success story.
We'll be right back if you stay where you are. This same spot on your radio dial.
Trailer for sale or rent. Rooms to let 50, to let 50, to let 50.